Hey, what's up everyone? Cinco de Mayo's here, and what better way to celebrate than with a classic taco and burrito night. We're gonna make a Mexican style ground beef that's perfect for tacos, burritos, bowls, nachos, you name it. Super simple, super satisfying, and great for feeding a crowd or just enjoying a taco night with the family. Let's get to it. Let's start with our seasoning mix. No need for pre-made packets here. This homemade blend brings out way more flavor and lets you be in control. So let's add to a bowl 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 3 teaspoons of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you want to crank up the heat for Cinco de Mayo, reverse the paprika and chili powder amounts. Next up, let's get our veggies chopped up and ready to go. Let's fine dice 1 onion, dice 1 bell pepper, and dice 1 tomato. Place them near the stovetop. Now let's get ready to cook. Heat your pan over medium-high, add a bit of oil, and drop in 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Break it up and cook it for 2 minutes until it turns brown. Now toss in your onions, a pinch of salt and pepper, and cook these onions until they turn nice and translucent, around 2 minutes. Add in the bell peppers and cook it all together for 3 to 4 minutes until the veggies start to soften. Time to bring in the flavors. In a measuring cup, fill 1 cup of water, add in the seasoning blend and the diced tomato. In the pan, stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste until your beef takes on that nice reddish brown color. Reduce the heat to low, pour in your seasoned concoction, and stir everything well. Then you can bump the heat back up to medium and let it simmer until the sauce thickens, which is about a couple minutes. After a few minutes, we can take it off the stove and set up our burrito assembly line. I got some guacamole here, link to that recipe in the top right card and description. Sour cream, shredded cheese of your liking, and tortillas. You can use hard tacos, but I like soft tortillas that's just been warmed up a bit. These are my go-to fixings, though you can definitely add other fixings to your liking, such as shredded lettuce, salsa, fried beans, you name it. You call the shots in your kitchen. Now let's start assembling. Let's layer on generous amounts of sour cream, guacamole, the ground beef, and shredded cheese. And just like that, burrito night is served. Alright, let's wrap this up, and here we go with the taste test. The beef is super flavorful, smoky, a little tangy from the tomato, just the right amount of spice. It's juicy and well seasoned, and the bell peppers give it that pop of sweetness that balances the savoriness of the ground beef. There's a nice richness from the tomato paste too. It really brings everything together. The guacamole comes in with that creamy, cool avocado goodness, providing a great contrast to the heat. The sour cream smooths everything out, and the cheese is melty and rich. It pulls it all together into something that tastes like comfort food in a tortilla. Honestly, this combo is what burrito night dreams are made of. And there you have it, Mexican style ground beef. Just in time for a Cinco de Mayo or any weeknight where tacos, burritos, nachos, fries, or rice bowls sound like the best idea ever. If you liked the video, here's all the things you can click on to follow me, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Your support truly makes a difference. Thanks for watching, and happy Cinco de Mayo. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.